student, let's begin the 8th sum. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square in another plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equals to 7 plus 10 square a plus cot square a. So let's consider LHS. We have in LHS sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square, and we have to solve, and our RHS is 7 plus 10 square a plus cot square a. Alright, first of all we'll expand this by using the identity a plus b whole square, right? So a means sin theta and b means cosec a theta, yeah, cosec a. So let's expand it. So this is a square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a plus cosec square a plus, similarly expand this also, cos a plus sec a whole square, a square that is cos square a plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into cos a into sec a plus b square, that is sec square a. Okay, now just look into the RHS. RHS we want 10 and cot, 7 and cot 10 plus cot. We don't want cosec square, we don't want sec square, we don't want this sin and cosec also. Now you know that let us write sin square a as it is 2 into sin into cosec is equals to 1, that you know very well, or you can say cosec is equal to 1 upon sin. So आप वो sin और sin भी cancel कर दोगे तो आपके पास 2 ही रहेगा, or you can say sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Now plus cosec square theta, then you know the identity cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, right? So this cosec square theta can be replaced by 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, we'll do that in the next step. First of all इससे पहले हटा लेते हैं क्योंकि वो फिर अपने हमें रीज़न भी देना पड़ेगा, वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे देते हैं. एंड राइट cosec square as it is, and this cosec square a is also as it is. ये cosec square theta और ये cos square theta यहीं लिखा, इसको नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाके रिप्लेस करते हैं. नाउ you replace now this cos multiplied by sec is equal to 1, or you can say sec is equal to 1 upon cos, तो वो cos और वो cos कैंसिल होके 2 ही रहेगा आपका, 2 multiplied by 1 plus sec square theta. So sec square theta भी नहीं चाहिए, वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे रिप्लेस करते हैं. ओके, see this sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? And we can combine together sin square plus cos square, because you know that sin square plus cos square will become 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus cosec square a plus 2 ones are 2 plus sec square a, right? Now can I write sin square plus cos square is equal to 1? Yes. Then plus 2 plus, now replace this cosec square a. So in that cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a, right? Plus 2 plus, now also replace this sec square a. So sec square a can be replaced by 1 plus tan square a by the identity, right? And give the reason here, give in bracket, because cosec square a is equals to 1 plus cot square a and sec square a is equals to 1 plus tan square a, right? Now here this is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. This is 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a, which is equals to RHS, hence proved. Now let's begin the 9th sum. LHS is cosec a minus sin a in one bracket, sec a minus cos a in another bracket is equals to RHS is 1 upon tan a plus cot a. A hint is provided to us in a textbook. Solve RHS and LHS separately. So let's solve LHS first. In LHS we have cosec a minus sin a in one bracket. In another bracket we have sec a minus cos a. See, cosec a, we can replace cosec a by 1 upon sin a, isn't it? This is minus sin a, keep as it is, upon 1. Sec a can be replaced by 1 upon cos a minus cos a bracket close upon 1. Now take the LCM. Here the LCM will be sin a. So 1 ones are 1 and sin into sin is sin square a. Here in another bracket, write the LCM cos A. This is 1 1s are 1 and cos into cos square A. Now you know that 1 minus sine square is cos square A upon sine A, multiplied by 1 minus cos square is sine square A upon cos A. Now this cos and this one cos will be get cancelled. Here we'll be having a one cos and this sine will cancel with this sines, and we have cos A multiplied by sine A, isn't it? That's it. You can leave it here and you can consider RHS either, or you can continue this also. Upon 1 hai, so upon 1 can be replaced by again sine square plus cos square, and if you simplify that you will get equal to RHS. बट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कंसिडर RHS, क्योंकि हम दोनों भी सेपरेट भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, और बुक में भी उन्होंने कहा था कि RHS और LHS सेपरेट सॉल्व करिए. सो हियर वी हैव RHS 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Let's try to simplify and equalize it cos A into sin A. Here 1 tan A can be replaced by sin A upon cos A, and cot A is cos A can be split into cos A upon sin A. Now this is 1 upon, cross multiply it or take a LCM cos A into sin A. So sin into sin square A, cos into cos square A upon sin A into cos A. Now this is 1 upon sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 upon sin A into cos A. After taking the reciprocal, you will get sin A into cos A, which is equals to LHS. See, your LHS was cos A into sin A, RHS also sin A into cos A. So since LHS is equals to RHS, it's verified. Start the last sum of chapter number 8, 10. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. We have to solve LHS. Also we have to solve 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus tan A middle whole square, and we have bring it equal to tan square A. So let's consider LHS first. So in LHS we have 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Now it is we can split this tan A as sin A upon cos A and cos upon sin. But instead of that, if you replace this cot, you know that cot is equal to 1 upon tan A, you will get easily the answer. So 1 plus tan square A as it is plus 1, and cot square A can be replaced by 1 upon tan square A. Then take the LCM. 1 plus tan square A as it is, and denominator this is 1 upon 1. So LCM is tan square A, right? And 1 should be multiplied by 10. 10 square into 1 like. So it will become tan square A plus 1 1s are 1. It will give us 1 plus tan square A multiplied by, this is divide. So take a reciprocal. Its reciprocal will be tan square A divided by tan square A plus 1. Can we cancel 1 plus tan square and 1 plus tan square? Yes. And then we are having tan square A, which is equals to RHS, right? Equal to RHS. Now also we have middle term, which is equals to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Okay. So this can also be solved very easily. Keep 1 minus tan A as it is, and in denominator replace this cot A by 1 upon cot A, 1 upon tan A whole square. Then 1 minus tan A keep as it is and take the LCM of this term. The LCM of denominator is tan A. This is tan A into 1 is tan A, minus 1 into 1 is 1 whole square. Then take reciprocal. 1 minus tan A multiplied by tan A upon tan A minus 1 whole square, right? Can we cancel this too? No, because 1 minus tan A है और ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका tan minus 1 है. So we cannot cancel it now. But by changing the sign, like suppose if 1 minus tan A into this is 10a upon, can I take minus common, and अगर मैं माइनस बाहर लेती हूँ तो I can write 10a and this minus will become plus 1, right? So now can I cancel it? अब आप इसे कैंसिल कर सकते हो. This is 1 पॉजिटिव हो गया, 10 आपका नेगेटिव हो गया. So you can cancel this both terms. And this is, after this, sorry, this is square, whole square. Now you have 10a upon minus 1 whole square. And you know that minus 1 का square plus 1 ही होता है. That is minus 10a whole square. So the square minus 10a square will come plus only 10 square a, which is equals to RHS. So from these two statements you can write LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved.